A very good morning, students. Come back to SP offline lecture. Students, in this lecture, we are going to continue with the same lesson. The last part of first lesson is left yet. So, I want you all to come to page number 9. Till now, in last lecture, students, we had started with qualities of secretary. Now, we are going to continue the same topic from point number 7, that is loyalty. What is loyalty, students? Loyalty means faithfulness. So, company secretary should gain the loyalty or faith of the company where he is working. He has to maintain many confidential things, as we had discussed earlier also, that secretary knows all the ins and all the outs, all the confidential things about the company. So he has to maintain the loyalty, the faith of the organization, and he should always give first priority to gain organization's goal. He should not give first priority to his personal goals, but he should give first priority to his organization goals. Is that clear? Now, let's come to 8th point, that is orderliness. It means doing work systematically. Systematically means in a proper sequence. Students, company secretary should know the proper sequence of doing work. Let us take one example. If secretary is been assigned to arrange the meeting, so he should know what are the proper sequence to start the arrangement of meeting. So firstly, he should know the topic, the reason why the meeting has to be called. Then he should make the notice, then he should make the agenda, then he should invite the recipients of the notice. So after one after the other, he should know what the sequence should be. Secretary should know how to complete the work in proper order and in a proper time. Next point is point number 9, pleasing personality. So secretary should have a pleasing personality. Pleasing personality means a proper way of talking, a mannerliness, a good temper. He should not be high temper, or he should not be very irresponsible. He should respond to the organization, to the outsiders in a proper way. He should be confident enough. He should be willingness to accept the challenges. He should not run away from the challenges. If anything goes wrong, then he should be that much confident. He should be that much courageful to manage that challenge or to manage that situation in a calm way. He should not get depressed. He should not lose his temper. So he should be in a calm situation. He should not lose his temper. Overall, in short, he should have a pleasing personality. Next point is knowledge seeker. A secretary should always have a updated knowledge. He should keep on updating his knowledge related to laws or related to any statutory functions. Is there any amendment? Amendment means what, students? Is there any changes made in the law or the act which is affecting his organization? So he should be updated with the knowledge. Next point is punctuality. So he should be quite punctual, students. If any outsider inquires to the company for any product, or we can say if there is a supplier or if there is a customer of the company, so he should quickly respond to that particular person. He should be punctual. If secretary is not punctual, students, it really creates a very bad impression about the organization. Secretary should be a good time manager. He should know how to manage the time. So in short, he should be punctual. Next point is sound judgment. Secretary should know to judge the things. He should know how to handle the situations, and according to the situation, he should know how to make the correct decisions. He should be able to judge the things effectively and efficiently. And after taking the judgment, he should bring those things in the performance. It means he should implement the things that are been decided or that are been judged. So in short, he should be able to make a correct decisions. Next point is tactfulness. Tactfulness means a person should handle the situation in a right way. He should know what is the correct way, how to handle the situations if in case anything goes wrong in the organization. So he should have that tact to manage the situation in a right way. He should know how to handle the persons. See, every person in the organization has its own different personality. So secretary should have the tact to handle every person in his different way, in a different situation. So this quality should be there in the secretary. He should be wise and he should be quite sensible. So in short, he should have a tactfulness quality within himself. So by this way, we finish off with all the qualities of the secretary. Now, today's assignment is, you will write down all the qualities. Give the heading qualities of secretary and write down all the qualities in your notebook with a proper explanation. I hope you all are clear with all the qualities and today's assignment. Students, in case if you all have any doubt in any of the point, please mark it out. Whenever we will be having online session, we will clear it. By the time you finish with the assignment work, you will be getting Google test. Thank you.